Hi there, my name is John Keppel. I'm one of the K-12 math teacher leaders at Madison Metropolitan School District. Coming to you live from Doyle, and I apologize for my congested condition today. I got a little bit of the spring cold. The video today is going to be on how to take data from Data Dashboard, put it onto a sheet that can be analyzed by your staff. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the main MMSD login page. I'm going to go down to staff only, and you're going to have to go through your login. I'm already logged in, so it skipped that screen. Going to then scroll down to this button right here. It says Data Dashboard. It's run by Advantage. All right, you're going to get to this login screen. It should be the same login information as your email, as your MMSD login, etc. And you wait for it to run. Now, depending on your level of access on Data Dashboard, you may have more tabs here or you may have less tabs here. To pull up some map data, we're going to first make sure that we're in the basic. We're going to then go into the tab that says assessments up here. We're not going to go into map score update. That's not going to give you individual school or student reports. So assessments. And then we are going to go to the map assessment dashboard. Okay, I'm going to pick a school here. Let's say Cherokee. Set my parameters. Let's say I pick 6th grade. And in map, there's language usage, math, reading. Usually in Madison, we just do math and reading. I'm a math guy, so we're going to pick math. Years tested. Let's select the school year. And so it should be loading some content. A lot of people stop at this window because they don't know that they can go further. We are going to go further. We're going to go to this red button here, minimal. And we wait a little bit. And there we go. We have students at Cherokee that are scoring in the primary result as minimal. So let's say I wanted to shoot this out as a spreadsheet. I go up to the right-hand screen here. It says export detail of map, and I am going to select Excel. Data Dashboard does not Excel or export to Google Sheets. Exported it. There's going to be a button down here. And now you can open up a window in Excel. It says Christina Whiting, so I stole her computer for today. Sorry about that. Let's expand this out. What I do at this point is you could keep in this right here. I generally do not. I take the data that I need and I select it all, holding the shift button and moving to the right and down. I hit a Control C, that means copy. You could also right click on it and select copy too. I'm going to go back to my browser window, and I already have a spreadsheet set or a Google Sheet set up, and I'm going to want to paste my data in a Google Sheet. The reason I like Google Sheets versus Excel is because it's an open software. Other people can log into the same document as you. When you make changes, you don't need to save and keep forwarding those changes to every single person. All right, so that is how you export data from one school onto a data sheet. Now you might need to compile 2 or 3 schools at the same time. Right now in Data Dashboard, there is no way to pull more than one school at the same time. I would love for that feature to exist, but it does not. So if you want to compile multiple schools, you're going to have to go school to school to school. So let's say, for example, you want to look at the 5th grade data that's incoming to a middle school. You're going to have to look at all the schools that are in that feeder pattern, collect all their data for, like, if you're looking for the students that are scoring lowest, you collect all that data. Students, if you're looking on the opposite end, students that are scoring the highest, you're going to have to select that end too. And just keep copying and pasting to a sheet. Once you're in that sheet though, you can sort your data. I would pull all the ID numbers over here. You can sort the data and then input that into whatever other data sheets you have at your school. So I think for right now, that's enough data for